Did you break this? Did you break my iPad? Destiny! What you doing? Come here. No, no, no. You're looking for cookies. You're looking for cookies, and what is this? The feather box! Did you spill the feather box? Destiny! Oh. Oh. Maybe a bread? Maybe a bread? You want? Come here. You want apple? You want apple? No? Go perch. Yes, boy. Show me wings. Wings. Good leg. Good leg. Give me a leg. Hi. Leg. Oh.
Moments later. Moments later.
Destiny! What you doing? No, 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 no cookie for you. Can I have the cookie? No, 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 no. Give me the cookie. Give me the cookie. No. Give me the cookie. Give me the cookie. No. Destiny. Give me the cookie. Come. Give it to me. Can I have it? No, you're not giving it. No, no, no. You can't just steal cookies. That's not for birds. Cookies are for humans. Destiny, no cookies for you, okay? Destiny, you are guilty. Guilty. Are you guilty? Guilty. Guilty. Show me wings if you're guilty. Oh! You're guilty! Guilty. Bad boy. Can't you steal cookies?
Moments later.
I came home to this. This was my car key. Destiny! Right down to the motherboard. Destiny, did you break my car key? My $400 car key? My VOP key? Oh, Destiny.
Moments later.
What are you doing, Destiny? Oh, Destiny?
Moments later.
Destiny, no! How can I work today? He took like every key off of this keyboard, like every single one. Destiny! This is the third keyboard. How should I? have to work today. Okay, so Destiny broke my keyboard because I left it out and everything was just chaotic this morning. And now I'm trying since 1 hour to fix it, and it's like a little puzzle. Like these little pieces, they belong in here, and you can see even those rubbers. Destiny broke all the rubbers right here. He left just one key, which was the A. So within an hour I managed to put on some keys back, but it's a really big puzzle because I need to put those in first. And they are those little thingy and the plastic thing I have to put in. So it's not easy. Like here, this one is no, let's say this one. This is complete broken. You see here is no plastic whatsoever. So this is a tricky, very, very tricky puzzle. Oh, Destiny, this is the 3rd keyboard he broke. Okay, this is it. I have to cage him. I'm gonna start caging him. Usually he has his play stand and I've never caged him, but he's breaking stuff, so I need to cage him. You see this? This is all Destiny. All Destiny. Oh. Destiny? Did you do this? Did you do this? Destiny, did you just poop on my phone? Did you just poop on my phone? What is this? Is this your poo-poo? Destiny, is this your poo-poo? You poop on my phone, Destiny. You're so cute. Oh my gosh. Did you break this? Did you break my iPad? Did you break it? Did you break my iPad? Destiny, I know it was you. Only you have that strong beak. Yeah. So it's just foam, apple foam. You wanna take it? Take it. Take it. Yeah. Hold it straight. Hold it straight. There we go. So he's eating the foam of the apples. Good boy, Destiny. He likes it. Look, his eyes is pretty. Is it yummy, Destiny? Can I have the spoon? Can I have the spoon? Oh! Thank you! You dropped it! Was it yummy? Was it yummy? Yeah! want ice cream?
Ice cream?
What is it?
Yum, yum, yum.
Yum.